these are, again, like a kind of like really your interests or your skills are really all over the place. Private equity. I noticed another one of your credits on Facebook, stock market. So you just do it all.
Well, not really. Not really. I mean, these...
Like, is there anything you couldn't do?
Take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream, a number of different parapsychological
180. So you have a higher frequency.
If you put a very
right, dealing with physics.
Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these, you know, a commercial art, commercialization, a city.
Rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So